Hello there, having problem with isometric grids? I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna do this, how this works actually. You can see this red line that I'm drawing. Line is actually following the grid that I have at the bottom of it on paper. The blue line goes down, the red line goes the other side, the green line follows another path of line. So you can see that there are three lines that are going in three different directions. And you can see I take this intersection, so these lines intersect at one particular point. Take these are 4 points. Can you see a square? Now connecting all these square lines, now you have got 7 points. 7 points are the points that is needed to create a square. A cube, a square cube. You can see that two lines are the inside lines. So I don't want the back face. I don't want the back line. So I'm removing the back line. Remember this kind of box that we have learned before. In the beginning, we learned this kind of boxes before on the paper. The same way, extend this by putting more dots. Now, before that, we had one box, one unit. Now we have got two units. You can see that those are seen as units. You can see that units or 10 meters or 20 meters, but it's just a unit to show the measurement, like it is a double of what we had before. So have that particular one, and I'm also lengthening it the other way around. Before what we had was it was going from that side to this side. Now this is coming to the front. Now we are going to go to the bottom, that is going down. Now we have got a down section, like how we draw a box that is from going up and down. Now we have got that up and down, sidewise, front and backwards. Want to experiment with more boxes? Try. Put more boxes and see if you can. But start with one box. Start with one unit. Make one box first and make that box correctly. Send that particular image to me. That will be really good. I really appreciate that image. Then later that you can keep moving bit by bit, one step at a time. Don't have to draw you big complicated structures, houses, things. First of all, let us go basic. Let's do the basic one properly. Once you finish the basic, as I shown before, first I have drawn the one unit box, one box, that is one point to another point. Mark each of those points. Not just draw one time, draw it as many times as possible. Okay, and if you're making it as so, definitely when you're doing something for the first time, definitely you're not gonna do it perfectly. You're gonna have lots of errors. There'll be a lot of flaws. So you don't think, okay, after this thing I don't have to do this. Oh, I have finished drawing this. So what is next? No, you have made so many mistakes in your current drawing itself. You need to correct those mistakes. That is the biggest important thing here. If we don't correct those mistakes, we have drawn it, we haven't learned anything from it. So start with your basic one square, then cube. Make it as perfect as possible. Once that you have achieved, and then you will automatically start progress to the other sections where it is much more interesting than these things. So many more interesting things lay ahead. Unless and until if you can't figure it out how to draw a box in this grid, work it out. You will definitely find it out because you know how to draw a box. Okay, so keep your hard books up